Toyota's all-new 2027 Corolla Pickup is set to redefine the compact truck segment. This innovative vehicle promises a perfect blend of affordability, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. Let's delve into what makes this pickup stand out. Key features and benefits. Fuel efficiency. The hybrid variant boasts an impressive 50 miles per gallon (mpg) in front-wheel drive mode, while the gasoline model offers a respectable 40 miles per gallon in city driving. Performance options. Choose from a 1.8 L hybrid system generating 134 horsepower or 2.0 L gasoline engine delivering 169 horsepower. Rumor has it that a more powerful 2.0 L hybrid option with 196 horsepower might be on the horizon. Practical design. The pickup's versatile flex bed technology, adjustable tie-downs, and built-in storage make it perfect for both work and play. Comfort and convenience. The spacious cabin features dual-zone climate control, optional heated and ventilated seats, and ample room for up to 5 passengers. Safety first. Toyota Safety Sense technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, ensures a safe driving experience. Affordability and resale value. The 2027 Corolla Pickup is competitively priced, starting around $25,000 and topping out at $35,000 for higher trims. Its strong resale value, estimated at 60 to 65% after 5 years, is a testament to Toyota's reputation for durability and reliability. A unique approach. Toyota's focus on practicality sets the Corolla Pickup apart. It offers a combination of fuel efficiency, reliable performance, and comfort, making it ideal for both urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. The hybrid variant redefines eco-friendly pickups, while the advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction in challenging conditions. Exterior design, sleek and rugged. The Corolla Pickup strikes a balance between sleek and rugged aesthetics. The muscular build, complemented by LED headlights and a sharp front grille, makes it both stylish and functional. The flex bed technology enhances utility with built-in storage and a 120-volt power outlet. Interior comfort and design. The spacious cabin offers a comfortable and inviting space for up to 5 passengers. Whether it's durable fabric or plush leather, the interior prioritizes both comfort and functionality. Ample storage options, including hidden compartments and folding seats, make it easy to haul larger items. Tech and infotainment. The 2027 Corolla Pickup offers a user-friendly infotainment experience with a range of features. Display. 8-inch or 12.3-inch touchscreen display connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto digital instrument cluster, 7-inch or 12.3-inch digital display. Additional features: heads-up display, voice command system, multiple USB ports, Wi-Fi hotspot, and JBL premium sound system. Powertrain options. Toyota offers a variety of powertrain options to cater to different needs. Standard engine, 2.0 L 4-cylinder engine for efficient daily driving. Hybrid powertrain, 2.5 L hybrid engine for a balance of power and efficiency. Turbocharged engine, 2.4 L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for more power and towing capacity. Electric variant, all-electric option for eco-conscious buyers. Efficiency innovations. Toyota has implemented several features to maximize fuel efficiency. Start-stop system, automatically turns off the engine at stops. Active grille shutters, improves aerodynamics. Energy management, optimizes fuel or electricity usage in hybrid models. Reliability and safety. Built on the TNGA platform, The Corolla Pickup ensures a stable and safe ride. High-strength steel construction and advanced safety features, including Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, make it one of the safest compact pickups on the market.